Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Numan Tariq, and today I am going to tell you about a software that is OBS Studio. You can simply download it from Chrome and like any of the search engine. I have downloaded it from Chrome and Google, and it's free of cost. You don't need to pay any amount for buying it, and it's free to use and easy to use. This software is basically for the recording purpose and not for the editing purpose. So you can only record through this software, but you cannot edit the files or videos through using this software. For so as to download the OBS Studio, you simply need to go to the Google Chrome, and you need to type OBS Studio in the search bar, and after that you would have this particular screen. You simply need to click over the downloads and you would have this link open. Here you have three of the types of systems used all over the world. Almost these were the most common, and so if you are using a MacBook, so you can click over here, and if you are a Windows user, so you simply need to download installer. You simply need to click over the Windows, and after that you need to click over the download installer option, and the OBS Studio would be installed. After that you simply need to go through the basic steps for the installation purpose, and after finishing the installation you can use this software for the recording of the screen. You can record lectures through it or any sort of data or information that you want to share with your colleagues, friends, or anyone else. So now secondly I am going to tell you about how can you record a screen using this software. Firstly you need to define the sources, like I have defined over here, audio input capture and display capture. You can add more of them from the list as available over here, and if you want to change the settings you simply need to go to the settings, and you can change the audio, video, and multiple type of settings or stream settings by your own and as per your requirement. You can change the path for the file that is going to be saved, and if you want to change the format you can also change it from MKV to MP4, and you can also change the recording quality. So now I'm gonna tell you about if you want to like convert an MKV file from your system and convert it into MP4, you simply need to go to files, and after that Remax recordings, and here you have to click over here, and after that over these three dots. So the browser is open and you need to just select any one of them, like I'm going to select this file. Just simply open it, and after that you have to click over Remax. So this file is basically going to be converted from MKV to MP4. So you can use this tool or this function of software for conversion of MKV files into MP4. This file would also be stored in the same location where the MKV file is present. I will show you in a while. Recording reversed, but the file may be incomplete. This could be for any certain reason, and let me check that whether the file is available or not. So here you can see, like, the name of the file was, let me check the name of the file. The name of the file was, okay, so So this is the file in mkv, and this is the file in mp4. This one is mkv, and this one after conversion is into mp4. So by this mean you can convert your mkv files into mp4. And after the completion of the recording, if you want to stop the recording, you simply need to click over here. This is the same button for stop and start of a recording, and if you click over here, the recording will be started. And when you complete the recording and you want to stop it, you simply need to come over here and click over the stop recording button. I hope so that this video would be informative for you to understand how can you record a screen through using simple steps and a free of cost software. Thank you so much. Have a good day.